Merlita and I planted this. Nanay Merlita and I planted this marunggay 3 years ago with the sweet potatoes, and this banana is already here. And look at that, there's food. Look at that, Nanay Merlita. Look, we have mint, we have rosemary. Galing kasi mag-alaga si Nanay Merlita, na? Galing mo kasi mag-alaga eh, oh. Smile naman dyan. Smile naman dyan.